Our tour guide Dan was well versed with the sites associated with Nazism and explained their history very well. He also shared how his family was affected by the Nazi rule. Our guide Josh took us on a history lesson. His knowledge and narration was superb. He made us feel the pain and suffering of World War II victims. Tour was detailed, long and a little tiring. I recommend this tour if you like history. The tour was wonderful. The guide has very good knowledge of the topic and it's informative and inspirational. Definitely recommended. Just had a hard time finding the meeting place, as it's under renovation work and the whole building is covered. Would be great if there's a sign or something. Overall, a good experience. It mainly revolves around the history of the Third Reich. The tour guide uses a tablet to show historical images during the tour, which makes it easy to compare them with the locations during the trip. The tour guide was very professional and helped me understand the history of the Nazis and Hitler in downtown Munich.